She doesn't play the obvious bar girl game. No heels, no red lipstick, no cleavage and commission hustle. She skips the uniform. No script, no sales pitch. Just soft smiles, a hoodie, and jeans, and a ton of I'm not like the others vibe. And that's the trap. Because when she doesn't follow the bar girl script, you think she's different. You think she's real. You think you found peace. But it's not peace. It's precision. She's not chasing drink tickets. She's buying mental real estate. She lets you feel in control while she's reorganizing your emotional payroll, the installation phase. She doesn't nag. She doesn't beg. She just disappears until you feel guilty. She drops that hurt look on you until you start offering. It's not pressure. It's positioning. Because you can't say no to someone who's never asked. You feel generous, but really, you're being trained. She wears innocence like a sword, not to protect herself, but to cut through your defenses. She doesn't fight you for control. She lets you hand it over, piece by piece. And you will, because she's not hostile. She's harmless until she isn't. Transfer of control. At first, it's just a few nice dinners, a little help with rent, a phone upgrade, no big deal. But slowly, your time, money, and focus starts orbiting around her moods. You're adjusting your behavior to keep the peace. You're making decisions based on her silence. You're upgrading her lifestyle before she's even confirmed her stay. You're not dating a chill girl. You're auditioning for an emotional landlord. And she's not chill. She's a specialist in nonverbal warfare. The truth is, she was never chill. She was just well packaged. And by the time you realized she's changed, she hasn't. That vibe you fell for, that was the setup. That was the chill bait. Now you're in a contract you never signed, paying rent on a connection that was built to keep you on the hook, not the other way around. All right, the chill girl protocol. If her vibe only exists when you're giving, that's not peace. That's a payment plan. Run the if I stop giving test. Would she still be chill if you cut her off for a week? If not, you're being compliance trained, not cared for. Number 3, audit the mood-based leverage. If her silence dictates your generosity, you've already lost the game. Real connection doesn't require guilt to function. Clarity doesn't punish boundaries. And love never hides behind quiet manipulation. Look, if you understand the game, fine. Engage, play, enjoy the company, but just don't lie to yourself. Don't confuse no drama with no agenda. She was never chill. She was just better at nonverbal warfare. If you're still out here mistaking peaceful manipulation for authenticity, you're not in control. You're being handled. If you've ever been outplayed by a cool girl, send this to the next man who thinks he's found a unicorn in a hoodie. Save a bro, she wasn't chill, she was just quiet about the bill. See you in the next one.